In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same with a second app. With both of your apps opened in the background, access Background Apps and click on Split at the bottom. Then tap on the second app, and as you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can either hold this white line in the middle of your apps and drag one all the way to the right or to the left, then hit home button, or you can access background apps again and swipe both of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!